Good morning, everyone. We're going to warm up as usual, and then we're going to carry on with our football skills, and we are going on to passing today. Super. So, first thing we're going to do, we are going to touch our opposite toes with our hands. So I'm going to do this. Right foot with left hand, right hand with left foot. Ready? And we're going to do 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in, relax for 20 seconds or so. You can see I have a bench here. I'm going to use that later on with my passing. Now I'm going to lay down. I'm going to have my knees up, and then I'm going to touch the back of my foot, my ankle. So this is what we're going to do. Okay? Now again, I'm going to do 40 of these. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Amazing. So it's working on this side of our abs here. Take 20 seconds. We are still gonna stay in the same position with our knees up, laying down, and then we're gonna try to touch our opposite knee with our hands, okay? So like this. I'm here. I'm just gonna touch this. Okay? And also let's try to do 40, okay? Ready? Go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 22, 23, 24, 40. I can feel my abs working out, which is amazing. Great. And we're going to do one more exercise. We're just going to do some bounces, okay? So side to side bounces. Ready? Let's do 40 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 40. Super. You've done great so far. Catch your breath, have a sip of water. Just grab my bowl. Remember we did the big wind walk or side to side forward as well. Now we're going to move on to passing. Just catching my breath. If you don't have a sibling or someone in your household to help you with the passing, you could use a wall. I'm going to use this bench. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use again my big toe, the inside of my foot. I'm going to pass, pretend I'm passing to someone, and I'm going to receive the ball as well. So passing and receiving. So when I pass the ball, so the inside of my foot is coming back to me. I'm going to use my foot to stop it with the sole of my foot, okay? So this is the first thing. Easy. Carry on doing it. Good. When you do it and you're comfortable, then you change, use your other foot. Okay? If you aim for a spot on whatever the ball you're passing, then you know the ball is coming straight back. But then if you pass in an angle, so if I pass in an angle, then the ball is going to go that way. So I need to be prepared to go and get the ball from where it's going to be. So it's all about math and angles. If I go for a straight pass, then the ball is going to come back to me. But if I do an angle, then the ball is going to bounce back in an angle as well. Okay? So this was the first thing, using both feet and stopping the ball with the sole of your foot. Next thing, pass, and you stop it with the inside of your foot. So stop, stop it, stop it, and then you do the other one. Always have to try with both feet. Now I'm going to pass with my right foot, and I'm going to use the sole of my left foot to stop the ball. So pass and stop, and I'm going to pass it with my left foot and stop it with the sole of my right foot. All the passing so far is the inside of my foot, so that's what we're focusing today. Passing with the big toe with the inside of your foot, which is this one right here, okay? So pass and stop with this one. Pass and stop with this one. Okay? And now we're going to pass with one foot and stop it with the other foot with the inside of my other foot. So pass and stop it like this. Pass, stop it like this. If it's too easy, then you can start creating angles so you move, because it's important in football we don't stand. We need to move all the time. So as soon as I pass an angle, then I go and get it. Always need to be on the move. Our ready position, knees slightly bent, and I'm ready to react to go left or right. If I'm just standing here like this, I'm going to react slow, and I might lose the ball in a real situation when you play the game. So pass, practice all this passing. As a challenge for today, try to do kipiapis with the ball from the floor. So try to lift it with your foot, and then see if you can do a couple of kipiapis. Lift it, drag it. We practiced this one before. See if you can lift it. But if not, with a little bounce. This is your session for today. You've been amazing. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.